How to fix Huawei Mate 70 camera distortion. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and scroll down and click on apps. And then again click on apps and scroll down and open camera. Now here you can see the option storage. Now click on it and then click on clear cache. After clear your cache memory, then go back to your home screen and clean your camera lens with soft cloth or tissue. After cleaning your camera lens, then open your camera. On top right corner you can see the setting icon. Now click on it and then scroll down in last and then click on restore defaults and then click on OK. After restore defaults, then open settings again and scroll down in last and click on system and updates and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.